Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what are data types in JavaScript. In JavaScript, data types define the type of the data that can be stored and manipulated within a program. JavaScript has a variety of data types which are categorized into primitive and non-primitive or reference types. First, we'll go with primitive data types. Primitive data types are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once they are assigned. They are also compared by their value. For example, the data type string represents a sequence of a characters like text. So here we have one example. Let the name equal to we have assigned with John Doe. It's a string data type, and number represents the both integer and floating point numbers. Here we have a let the age we have assigned with 25, it's an integer, and let weight we have assigned with 70.5, it's a floating point number. So by look at this example, we can understand that number data type and a big int. A big int data type represents an integer larger than the maximum number that a JavaScript can handle with the number type. It's beyond 2 to the power of 53 minus 1. See, look at, we have an example here. Let large number. This is the large number of, it's a final number. It's a for big int. And a boolean, it's a represents a value that can either be true or false. Let's say we have example, let is active we have assigned with true, it's a boolean, and is complete we have assigned with false. So boolean data type always give either true or false. Undefined, so represents a variable that has been declared but has not been assigned to a value. So here we have declared let not assigned. So the value not assigned here, when we print in console.log, the output is undefined. And the next data type is null, represents that intentional absence of any object value. See, let empty value we have assigned with null, it's intentional we have assigned with null. And the symbol, it's a ES6 it introduced, represents a unique immutable value often used for object property keys. See, let symbol 1 we have assigned with a symbol with a description, and symbol 2 we have assigned with description. So when we check the equal condition with this console.log, symbol 1 equal to symbol 2, output false. Each symbol is unique because their reference number is unique. And undefined versus null, undefined is used when a variable is declared but not assigned a value. Null is explicitly assigned to indicate no value or empty value. Now we'll go with non-primitive data types. Non-primitive or reference data types are more complex, are compared by reference, meaning two objects can have the same value but are still considered different if they are stored in different memory location. For example, object represents a collection of key value pairs where values can be any of the data type. See, let's see one example. Here we have a let the object name is person, we have a properties name we have assigned with John, and age we have assigned with 30, and is active we have assigned with true. So this is a string and this is a int and this is a boolean data type. And array, a type of object, a special type of object used for storing ordered collections of value which can be different types. See, we have a let colors object we have assigned with square bracket red, green, blue. It's called array when the array is there. So in you can see the curly bracket indicates with object and square brackets indicate with array. And function also object in JavaScript. They can be assigned to variables, passed as arguments, returned from other function. See, here we have a function greet. In that we are printing console.log hello world. Now, a summary of JavaScript data types. Primitive types stored directly in memory like string, number, big int, boolean, undefined, null, symbol, and non-primitive or reference types stored in reference like object including array and function. So friends, this is all about JavaScript data types. Thank you.